This video is about how to set a password to folders in Windows 7, 8 or 10. The easiest and the free of charge method to password protect a folder is to use Archiver software. Nowadays, all popular archivers support protection with a password. For example, you can use a free archiver 7-zip to set passwords to 7z and zip archives. You can create other archive types as well, but the program can only set passwords to these two types. As this software is in public domain, you can install 7-zip by downloading it from the official website. You can find the link in the description. In order to archive a folder and set a password, right-click on the Go to 7-zip quick menu, Add to Archive, select the format 7z or zip. For all of other formats, encryption and password protection are not supported. Go to Set Password and enter the password for your archive. OK. Here is the folder we have archived. The original folder can be deleted. Now open the archive. As you can see, you need to enter the password to access this archive. Enter it, click OK. The archive opens. There are a lot of programs to password protect a folder. Unfortunately, the products worth your attention are fee-paying, while the free products don't actually do what you need, they just make your folder hidden. If you need to protect your files and folders from unauthorized access or set a password for the entire hard disk or your system, I would recommend using the Windows native encryption tool, BitLocker. Find the link to the video about disk encryption with BitLocker in the description for this file. If you like this video, click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to see more. We'll be glad to answer any questions in comments. Thank you for watching and good luck!